Hey folks, Adam here. I gotta give a big shout out to PetSafe's pet doors. They're absolutely amazing. But before I get started, remember to adopt and don't shop. Get your pet the right way. So anyway, folks, why would you want this particular pet door? PetSafe has a great reputation across the board, and look at their ratings. Every one of their pet doors, pretty much 4.5-star average or better. And when you're talking about something you have to install, that's hard to get. It's because they make a great product. The locking mechanisms oftentimes average 5-star average. Easy to install, just cut the hole in your wall, your barn, your garage, your door. Install this, telescoping, real easy to do. You need a screwdriver and a saw, and you should be able to take care of this. Maybe some caulk or something, some sort of adhesive. And you're gonna have an easy time installing, and you get the reputation of PetSafe, which is the cream of the crop. I love this brand. They're absolutely amazing. It's very easy. Do it yourself. Order today. And with Amazon Prime, that means free shipping, free returns, and an A to Z guarantee. So if you think you're getting over your head, just send that bad boy back and get your money back. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.